Bryce Swaim with BTS Equipment. We're a demo, grading, underground, and mobile crushing outfit out of San Diego, California. Our mainline business is civil, heavy demolition, building demo, removing of concrete, grading, subdivisions, commercial, pads, whatnot, installing fire lines, underground wet utilities. Mainly military work is what we try to focus on, federal contracts. Honestly, about 8 years ago is when we first figured out, we were looking at crushers. We were doing a lot of mobile crushing with elms to have them come out and do mobile crushing for us. And we were interested in it, but with the way the economy was at the time, we didn't feel it was the right time to take that next leap as we were still a growing business. And then about the last year and a half, we really looked at getting a crusher. With the economy getting stronger and work ramping up and the increase of dump fees out here. The time was going on, we were seeing that it's going to be profitable. The problem we were running into is the smaller machine couldn't keep up with the amount of material coming in. And it was costing us money to have our guys and our equipment sitting there watching a smaller crusher not produce as fast. So after that, then we started shopping into the RUBBLE MASTER lineup that Elms had, and that's kind of where it led us. Here we are. We basically only do 3 types of material. We produce asphalt grinds out of clean, pure asphalt that is dumped. We produce a mixed material that runs on a 1-inch screen deck that makes a Class 2 sort of recycled base. And then also we run just pure concrete that makes the same product. It's just a little bit cleaner. Certain people like it. It's a Class 2 recycled base that just doesn't have any asphalt in it. They both pass Caltrans Green Book spec. It's just some people have a preference and it works out for us. Much more maintenance friendly. The easyability to work on everything, the access to everything. I mean, you don't have to pull this panel off and this bar off to get to that, to get to this. Everything is readily available. You don't have to turn this switch on to go grab that, to lift that up and all that stuff. And there's no safety that you're risking the way that without having to do all those extra steps. RUBBLE MASTER, they've designed this thing to be as user friendly as it could be. I mean, all the way down to just changing blow bars. We've had other machines that it takes 3 hours to change a set of blow bars, and we have it down to 45 minutes. For us, that's huge. On top of that, it's frustration for the guys. I mean, it's easier just to climb on the machine. Just to get up on it and check things is just half the hassle of the other one. Yeah, everything about it is just so much simpler. My guys have thanked me time and time again for this machine versus the one that we had before, just because it's so much easier on them. I think from what I see, what I gather information from people who actually get permits for quarries here, who my father is actually very good friends with, there's not any quarries that are going to be being opened up anytime soon here in Southern California, which is going to drive up recycling products. It's going to be demanding that, as the plants that are open, the quarries that are open, are going to be coming to an end due to they're just they're going to be using up all their resources. So we're moving to the point where they're going to be forced to use recycled products more and more. So for that aspect, I think we're sitting in a good seat for that.